July 24th, 2022, Milwaukee County Zoo in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So this is a vlog for today, just walk through of the zoo and all the different exhibits. This is the main entrance. You kind of come through here. I think the last time I was here, this was all open when you went in. This is the main lobby, our main entrance area. Here's a little pop-up cafe, but they do have a full flamingo cafe. They have different baskets, personal pizzas, snacks, kids meal, little dining area. There's a gift shop. Sweatshirts, too hot for that today. You have snow globes. Frog one's kind of cool. Hopefully it focuses on that. Tigers. There's a zoo train. Zip line. Here he comes. Here's a train. That's the one that cuts through. They have a carousel and then zip lining. So we parked in lot A. So came in the main entrance. So we're kind of right around, yeah, because here's the zip lining. So we're probably right around here. So there's birds and virtual reality, small mammals. I know for a while they had koalas, but I don't know if they're still here. There's the penguins.
What happens if you take the baby and they change after?
As you go up, it's elevating. You can see a lot closer. Just sitting there. So they can go indoors and outdoors. So we're gonna go this way first, which is down over here. Shady area. They have a lot of shade here. Sky Adventure, which is here. And then there's a zip line part to it too. So the rope course is 10, 15, and then the zip line's 20. So here you go underneath the train. Here's a train that we'll do in a little bit. I think this is the petting zoo. This is like butter churns. Oh, they have the actual wagon, a photo of it. Pretty faded, but still. Here's some chickens here. Hopefully they come out. I don't know what they're digging for. Pretty nice little hen house there. All different saws, sled there. But they have restrooms right here. So it's like an administration building. I'm gonna hit the dairy complex and then back out. Try to hit all the buildings. Here's some dairy cows. In the building now. So cow barn, milking demonstrations, and an ice cream shop. Here's the cow barn. Oh, they're cleaning up the stalls right now. There's the horses, or the cows out there. Every cow makes 7 gallons of milk every day. Here's where they would do the milking demonstration. Maybe they'll have someone by the time we leave. Yeah, the roof is really cool. So here's inside the barn area, the dairy farm. And they actually have ice cream store in here, which is right here. Farm animals are outside. Here's a train coming back in. Safari train crossing. That's a butterfly habitat.
I think it was fair last.
Here's the entrance. Hey, you got cool colors. Hello. Like the camera? What are you doing? Is he in the wrong spot?
Is he stuck? Are you stuck?
Look at him. I think he went the wrong way. Oh, it's like your brother over here. Looks like a cow
gotta get
print.
food.
You want food? Whoever has food, they always chase. At least this way they can't get too close. I think this one's donkeys. Yep, zoom in on him. Oh yeah, he is getting a drink. It's like a little puddle there. Scottish beef cattle. It's a train crossing. Boy, look at that gauge. That's my foot. It's pretty narrow. There is a playground area. Just gonna pan that. Looks like it's just an overlook more than anything. But you can overlook the dairy farm and different stuff like that. So we're still in the dairy section. Farm section, I should say. Dairy's one of them in the farm section. So there's the barns we were in. You get all the way up here and it's kind of a dead end. Looks like it used to be an exhibit at one point. Here's the beehive area. Here's some bee facts. Bees are fully grown when they're born, 4 wings. Bee dies after it stings. Old tractor. There he is. That one down there. They like the shade. So we're leaving the farm area. Here's the map again. Came in here. Here was the building. Went under here. Did all this area. Now we kind of go do all the big cats. Then this area next, elephants, Africa. Kind of go around here and then back up around. So we got big cats and camels. Oh no, it'll be elephants and giraffes. There's a vulture in there.
Oh, there's swans in there?
Oh wow. It's got everything. It's supposed to be a cheetah too. Oh, look at him down here. I don't think that's a vulture. Well, maybe it is a vulture. That's a hornbill that we just saw. Look on the gazelles. Hanging out. I don't know what that bird is over there. There's the gazelle. And drinking out of the spigot there. There he is. Kind of lost him there with the sun and the screen. There's a whole bunch here. There's a big cat out there. Oh, actually there's a couple. There's some over by the rocks. He just looked. Laying out in the sun. Oh, he's mad. He's bashful. It's a water buck. Eating some hay. That guy's still there drinking out of the spigot. The big cats are up there. Got another guy on the rock over there. He's just standing on the rock there, eating away. Up he moved. And we have a peacock just walking around the path. Sorry it's bouncing around, I'm really zoomed in. Wow, look at that blue on his neck. I'll stop walking so it's more steady. It's a different way to go through on the roadway train. Boy, you're a ham. You're just posing for the camera.
Oh, the little thing on his head?
Yeah, exactly. It's like a little crown. Look at that tail. Got the alpacas here. They were chasing a rabbit in there. Some ostriches in there. Oh, they don't like that rabbit in there. Gonna go on this now. We'll see if they let you use a camera on here or not. Thank you. There's a bar here to hold you in, so if you're afraid of heights, shouldn't be too bad. So I'm on the sky lift. So they said it's about a 10-minute ride, so it must be 5 there and 5 back. So get a view of the park, or the zoo. It's pretty slow, not too fast. There's the booth right there to buy the tickets. There's where the alpacas are. Real scenic. Real scenic. Boy, a peacock's mad. That was him squawking. I think this is the first tower we're going over. Okay, it just goes over the walkway. That'll be the next section we go to, which will be, well, we saw the harbor seals, so it'll be caribous and bears. And we'll see, I'm assuming it's round trip, you get there and back, so. There's the walkway down there. That's as far as we've come so far. So just taking a nice relaxing, it's not breezy, it doesn't sway or anything, so it's actually a nice scenic way to see the zoo from up here. Oh, look at the camel in the water. Oh, there he is. I didn't have him at first. It's hard to see with the camera, stay nice and cool. Joe Camel over there. That's a train whistle. The tortoise exhibit down there. Doesn't look like the water's there, but they might be in there. We'll see when we walk it. There's sections that are pretty shady, which is nice. Get a little wider there. Well, it's zoomed in a little bit. It's a really nice way to see the zoo from up here. I mean, it's not super long. Like I said, I think he said 5 minutes out and hopefully 5 back. And it was $4 to ride this, so definitely well worth the money. And height-wise, it's, I don't know, 40 feet maybe, 30 feet. It's not super high. So height shouldn't be a problem if you're afraid of heights. Like I said, the chairs don't rock or anything. It's super smooth. Got someone back there. It's a yak. I think that's that might be a bison over there. We'll see when the sign comes up. Here comes another tower. Ah, fighter jets. Going through the clouds. That was kind of cool to see. Oh, that was just another yak in there. Coming up on another enclosure here. Not sure if this is big cats or what this one is. It could be primates too. So it does look like it's round trip. We're just gonna zoom around. Oh no, elephants. See the elephants out there? It's a really nice way to see the zoo up here. They have a really big enclosure here, as you can see. African savanna elephants. Oh, so it just turns around right here. I thought it went down to the ground again. I guess it really doesn't need to. We'll go for a little spin here. See the turntable there. It's almost like a gimbal move there. And heading back. I didn't time it when we got on, but it felt like about 5 minutes. Coming back there, move a little bit more, but I think it's just because we came across the turn. But you can see straight down. There's my feet. You know, it's not swaying much at all. maybe 3 feet left to right. I mean, I feel perfectly comfortable. See the giraffes out there. See his butt sticking out there. That's a little crickety. Back to the yaks. I don't know if that's a reptile house back there or not. I'll put it up here, what it is. When we go to that, I haven't gone to that section yet, so. The cars have leveled out now. Like I said, I think it was just the turn, especially the empty cars move more. Obviously, if you sit center, you're fine. There's a yak right there. The car's moving, so that's why the camera's moving. There was a second yak in there, but I think he went maybe back inside. This park is the zoo is super clean. Do a really good job of keeping it clean and maintained. It's a really nice zoo. So it's right outside of downtown Milwaukee, maybe 10 minutes from Milwaukee, if that, and it's more just getting on the right expressway and getting off at the right spot. You know, there's a couple zigzags. There's like 894, 94. There's another 94, I forgot which one it was. There's 41, 43. They all kind of merge up here, so. Oh, there's a camel. Getting out of the water. He likes his shade. It's weird how the humps are somewhat bent. Oh, there's 2 more camels there. Looks like they might want to come in. Or maybe they come in at this time, I don't know. They usually remember and they have a lot of space, which is nice too. It must be time for them to come in because they're all at the enclosure entrances. This is the second to the last tower. It barely makes a sound when you go over the towers either. It's nice that they painted them green too, so they kind of blend in with the trees and that. It's looking down the next section we're going to go down again. There's the camels down there. Maybe they go in there. They must come and go across there. I can see the people down there. Let's widen this shot out a little bit. I was zoomed in for the animals in the enclosures. Well worth the $4. And plus, you know, you get to sit for 10 minutes, which is nice. Well, this is tower number 2. Tower number 1 is where you get off, so. That's where I watched from where the peacock was earlier. Oh, there's a peacock now. I don't know why he screams like that, if he just does that every once in a while or if there's something bothering him. So the exit's right there. Like I said, there's a bar to hold you in, so.
Welcome back. Please exit to the right.
Oh, okay. Any point? Any time?
Yes, please.
Okay. Wasn't sure if I'd go all the way to the end or not. That must be a maintenance cart right there. Just came off the aerial tramway. Well worth the $4. Like I said, it's about a 10-minute ride, so not long at all. There it is right there. So here's some information about elephants. Just coming out right now.
Oh, the morning.
Trying to get it so the elephant's in focus. Eating some hay. Putting all that food in. So here's a moldorama of a polar bear. There's a die-cast machine that makes them. See if we can see any of the show, if there's anything in here. He just kind of looks like a manatee's. Just went underneath there. Oh, there's another one. In the water, in the shade. There's two in here, but I don't know where the other one is. Oh, there he is. Here's the underwater viewing.
Careful of the mud, Bubba.
Maneuvering around. There's a pavilion. Oh, there's some ducks in here. This is where you can eat. Oh, there's actually a restaurant right there. So you can eat here. Trying to find the duck. Very breezy off the lake. Oh, there's the ducks. Wow, much bigger little lake or pond, whatever you want to call it out here. There's dragonflies. I don't know if they'll come out. Oh, there's a duck down there. There's a fish too, right by the glistening water. Oh, there's another duck. He's so funny. I just caught him. Up, now he's mad. Wow, he is big. Boy, that water's gotta feel good. Wonder what he weighs. Probably 800 pounds. Oh, sorry. Lost it there. Oh, he's coming out. Look at those feet. Boy, he likes the camera. Man, I almost looks like he was gonna jump. Here we have a camel. All the animals are in the water cooling off. Zoom in on him. He is big. Should have stayed zoomed in on him, I guess. Now he's doing more stuff. So where do their humps kind of hang over? He's pretty much belly level in the water. And there's a cat up there. We're gonna go by the glass viewing and see that one next. There's the yaks. Some peacocks in front of them. More peacocks down there, but it's kind of dark. He's basking in the sun. It's a domestic yak. There's a giraffe experience. This is a zoo experience where you can feed the giraffes. Get them from another angle too. Oh, I see you with a zookeeper. Man, you're right up in their face though. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, another one.
Oh, that's cool, he's walking right by. Oh, they have a lot of giraffes here. Oh, I guess it kind of had an explosion there. It's a big cat room. This probably be pretty grainy. Sleeping cat. This is an indoor exhibit. I'm sure the cats must have an outdoor one. They're just all indoor right now. Still hear the train beeping.
I mean, they had that bird. God.
Almost looks fake. Here's the other hyena. You can see his face. Almost looks like a bat face. This is another angle. You can get them both. Both sleeping. Nope, going back inside. There's an anteater, I believe. Or the alpacas. It's too bad they don't have little boats you could rent. Paddle boats are, I mean, it's a big enough water area where you could do it. Like an art installation.
There he is, right by Bugsy. You're missing right there.
You guys done?
Oh, the other two are up there.
Look at them all. Oh my gosh.
Son cuatro.
They're almost like cats underwater.
Exactly. Right in the face.
Come over here. They usually do. There he is. I'll try one more. I had a great video and then it wasn't running. Come on.
I got them.
Where'd they go?
No, where would they go?
Swimming that way. They'll protect Annie.
Just hang in there.
It's so pretty.
Oh, he's going outside. Up in the tree.
Guys, look!
This guy's sleeping in the corner. Oh, they're running around out there. There's one there at the edge of the water, center of the screen. Oh, there's a whole bunch there. Another guy there. Oh, it's a little baby one just went by. Oh, look at him playing. Here's the carousel. Here's the train station. Looks like they're running 2 trains. Wow, is that long? So on the safari train at the Milwaukee Zoo, there's where we got on. There's the over. So we got the right and the left side of the train. Maybe that's a better view on the Sony. This is a closed railroad crossing. Next one should be an overpass. We're kind of behind the caribou and bear egg enclosure. Turn that a little bit. There comes the walkway down here. So we're gonna go behind the lake here pretty soon. See the train over there. See the lake out there. Very breezy. There's inside the train cars. Expressway's right out over there. Train must have a shop there probably for maintenance work. like 10 minutes long. Back to the carousel. I already pulled the second train off. The flamingos.